Hello, Hivers. Welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where a creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be making a cute birthday card using the Kindest Expression stamp set, along with the Go-To Greetings, the Autumn Leaves dies, the Deckled Circles dies, the Oxidized Copper Specialty Designer Series paper, and the All About Autumn Specialty Designer Series paper, okay? So those are some of the items we're going to be using. And of course, before we start our project, we have to go over the buzzworthy business of the day. So let's start with our Home for the Holidays paper pumpkin kit for October. You have until October 10th to subscribe to get this particular paper pumpkin kit that makes 8 cards, comes with the Real Red stamping spot, and a bottle of glitter glue, and it coordinates with November's paper pumpkin kit. So if you would like to subscribe to the paper pumpkin, there is a link in the description box below for you to do so. Next up, we have our September host code. This is the code I would like for you to use whenever you're placing an order with me. Unless your order is $150 or more, do not use this host code because you'll qualify for Stampin' Rewards, and Stampin' Rewards equals free product from Stampin' Up, and we don't want you to miss out on any of that. And again, as always, please check the online store. We have online exclusives and kits that are only shown online, okay? So let's go ahead and get into our project. So let me tell you some of the things that I have here. I have some Very Vanilla for stamping and the card base, which is 4 1/4 by 11, scored at 5.5. Then we have Designer Series paper. We have the Designer Series paper at, let's say, 4 1/8 by 2 7/8, 5 1/8 by 3 7/8, and we have some oxidized copper. I have gone ahead and die cut some from the Pretty Peacock and Copper sheet out of those, some leaves, and a deckled circle out of the copper one. And these two, we're going to be using these. These are 4 by 5 1/4, and then 4 1/4 by 3. Okay. And I have gone ahead and stamped and put together our inside. I just stuck something on there. I think that was on my finger. This is the inside. I used another piece of the Designer Series paper that came from the outside that we're going to be using on the outside. I stamped Sending Sunshine and Rainbows. And that's from the Kindest Expression stamp set. Then I stamped Happy Birthday in Mossy Meadow, and that is from the Go-To Greetings. The Sending Sunshine and Rainbows is Pretty Peacock. Okay, so now we have our inside put together. We can work on the outside. So for the outside, we're going to adhere this piece to this oxidized copper. And because this oxidized copper is so pretty, I went ahead and die cut from the layer so that we can save on paper. Ooh, I should have put, I just realized I should have put my craft mat underneath. So we're gonna adhere this to our card front. Ooh, that is so pretty. We haven't even done anything. Okay. Then we're gonna take this piece of Designer Series paper and glue it to this oxidized copper. This paper is so versatile. The Autumn, All About Autumn, you can use it for so many different things. And as you can see, I die cut from that as well. I'm just gonna put this on here. Gives it a little frame. And then we're gonna set this right in the middle of the card. Let me see if this is gonna be straight here. Just like that. Okay, so then I also have pieces of the copper and natural ribbon combo pack. So you get a roll of the natural ribbon and the copper, metallic copper, and we're going to place this across here. And did I want to, I think I was wanting to tuck that under that piece that I glued down to the card base. So we're gonna have to trim it down. That's a little too long still. I need some better scissors for cutting this ribbon. Okay, that should be good. And it's not, let me get my paper snips. These are not for ribbon, but they should cut a lot better. Oh yes, look at that. That is so crisp. Ooh. Okay. We're still, these points are too pointy. They're getting in the way. Okay, where's my my tearing tape? Because I'm going to put some tearing tape on this to keep it adhered down. Ooh. This is not what I was planning. Oh gosh, now I'm fraying the ribbon. Okay, maybe we're gonna have some frayed ribbon. This is not what I had planned. I forgot I needed to tuck this behind this layer here. Where's the top of our card? Oh man, I really don't want to cut this because there's adhesive on it. But I'm gonna put this about right there, like that. Then we're gonna take this one with some tearing tape. Let's see. About right there. I need to cut it. Yeah, that is good. Okay. Now we have a mess on the desk from the ribbon. We haven't done any stamping yet. So we're going to release that. We're just going to put this right across the middle. Like that. Okay. So now that we finally got that done, let's do some stamping. So we're going to get some Pretty Peacock and the Oh Happy Day. We're going to stamp this down right in the middle of our cardstock. Then we're going to get our mini Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine, the Baby Boss. And we're going to die cut our sentiment. And these, I use number 4 and I think number 3. Let me see. Where are my dies? I done lost where I put the dies. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, I use 4 and 5. So this is number 4 from counting from the middle, from the smallest. And then the oxidized copper was cut out with the next one up. Okay, so there's our sentiment. We're done with this. Bring back our card base. Put that out of the way. And we're going to adhere these together like that. Then we have our leaves here. Okay. I think I'm going to put some tear and tape on the back of this. Just because I don't know if it's going to be slipping and sliding on the front. I guess I should know I put it on that, but oh well. Okay, we have that on there. And I think I'm gonna pop this up. So let me get some Stampin' Dimensionals. We're gonna pop this up. You guys know I use a lot of dimensionals. One more should be good. Just one more. Okay, so let's take these backings off. Ooh, sticking to my fingers. Okay, and let's put this Oh Happy Day right about here, like so. Uh-oh. Oh, I was missing one of my leaves. Okay, and I think I want this one there. This one coming from the bottom. So this one we're not going to pop up. We're going to glue it flat. So let's put some glue, avoiding the little cut line so our glue won't squeeze out from under there or through the holes. And we're going to put that right there. And let's pop up our leaf here. Put that on some Stampin' Dimensionals. Put this right on our card using the basic black Stampin' Dimensionals. These are the minis. And we're gonna sit this on our card about right here. Okay. And now it's time for some bling. So let's get the naturals. The natural adhesive-backed sequence. And which ones do we want? Ooh, we're going to use the copper because that ribbon, we'll pull that color out. So let's put one here. One right there. Let's do a small one right there. Isn't that cute? Look at that. So cute. Okay, you guys, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I would like to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.